Welcome to the introduction and tutorial of the UI progress bar. So let's add an element on the page and see how it works and the options it provides. So you can find it back right here under the third-party apps. And let's click on it to see the options or settings. So under UI progress input, there are two fields you need to provide: the title and the progression, a percentage value. So for example, let's go with Weebly design and let's set our progression to 95, like that. Then under progress title, you have a few options of first of all, positioning the title. You can choose whether to position the element, the title, above, inside, or under the progress bar. So let's add it inside and see how it looks. Now you can see that it has been added inside. Later on you can change those, the font size, color, of course, the font color and the font size. So next thing you can do is, let's add it for a second above again, is add some margin between the title and the progress bar. So now currently it is being set at 10 pixels, but if you would set that to 30, for example, you would see that the separation between title and the progress bar is increasing. This option only is valid for when the title is being added above or under the progress bar. So inside, this won't affect. Next thing is the offset from the left. Increasing this value will move the title inwards or more to the right, as you can see right here. Especially useful when you add it inside. Next thing, of course, is the font size, pretty obvious. Font color, so let's add it again inside of the bar, just like that. Change the color to white, for example, so that our title is more visible. And let's remove the letter spacing. Letter spacing adds some spacing between the letters of your title. Set to normal. When available, it will change it. The bold is not really bold in this case, but it's more than a normal font weight. Then you have an other option, of course, of entirely hiding the progress title. Maybe you want to add a title with a normal text element or a title element maybe. Then you can do that by hiding the title. Next thing is you can set the height of the bar. So we're now at the other bar styles. Let's put it at 40 pixels and you will see how it increases. Now let's go with the lower value, like 15 maybe. You can see that when you set it 15, that our text is becoming a bit narrow. The lower you would go, it thus obviously makes more sense to put the title outside. Now since the title is white, we're not going to be able to see it. Let's put that to black for a second, making our title visible again. Now where were we? The height. So you can also set a background. The background will be the background of the complete bar. So you can see now that we set it to a dark color, that the color behind is the one that will be changing for the other bar. And you can also entirely remove that background so that just the animation takes place on a blank canvas. You can change the border radius, making it rounder. You can add some margin on the top. This would be the whole element, and at the bottom. So if we would say we want 100 pixels of margin top on the top, you can see that the whole element goes down. Now the progress bar styles. This is the bar that you can see, the large bar. This has a background, and the next thing is the progress speed. This is a value in milliseconds. Let's double that and see what happens. Now you can see that it will take 3 seconds to complete the whole animation. And next thing, the percentage indicator styles, which is this small little block right here where it says 95%. You can change its background as well. You can see right here it is passing. And you can, of course, change the color, the font size, and the font weight if available. Font weight available, this depends entirely of the theme and more of the font family you're using, if it is available.